What is up, guys? PokeCrafter here, back with another video for you. My real name is Michael, and today we are gonna try some Warheads. I already opened them up because, I'm just getting ready for it. Just kidding, I've actually had a Warhead before, but you're gonna see me have one. Let's see. What should I do first? Should I do lemon, green apple, watermelon, black cherry, blue raspberry? Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna pick a random one on my hand. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do an easier way, like this. There, I picked lemon, apparently. Okay. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna try it. Okay. Right here. All that white stuff is sour. God. I'm excited to eat this, guys. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Dang. It's spicy. So far. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. I just kicked in. Like really bad. Oh my god. My brother went to one. Oh. It's still going. Oh my god. Jesus. Please comment in the description below. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Yeah, dang it. It sucks. It sucks, sorry. It's down to the sweet part. Sorry if it sounded like the F word. I'm gonna say it sucks, but this is right on my tongue, so it sounds different. No, it's good. Anyway, what I was trying to say was that please like, comment, and subscribe to me. And have a wonderful day, and remember, catch a lot of Pokemon!